flying, elephants trampling, playing time limited, instincts of animal, walking river synchronized, watching the timelessness, piece of objects inanimate, remembrance of letting go, goddess of sensual, numbness of aftermath, love doesn't hurt, it's the lack of it